Welcome to another edition of our video tutorial on how to invest in stock market para sa mga zero knowledge o yung mga beginners na wala pang alam kung paano mag-invest sa stock market. So this is our part 2 of our investment journey. And if hindi pa kayo nakapanood sa ating part 1 video, please click the link or nasa description below. I encourage you to watch it first before watching this video para maintindihan nating mabuti yung stock market. Before I start, if bago kayo sa ating channel, my name is Dok Sagans. Nag-upload po ako ng mga travel vlog and video tutorial dito sa ating channel. So please subscribe and click the notification bell so that updated kayo sa mga new videos natin. In part 1 of this video, paano mag-invest sa stock market for zero knowledge, we already defined what is stock market. So nalaman natin yung meaning ng stock market, kung paano mag-invest sa stock market. Diniscuss din natin kung paano kumikita sa stock market, and we also discuss about the broker para makapagsimula tayo sa ating journey on investing in stock market. So dito naman sa part 2 ng ating video tutorial, we will discuss further kung anong klaseng investor ba tayo, or we need to have a game plan, because in everything, kahit anong gagawin natin sa business or sa school, or kahit anong gagawin natin sa buhay, we need to have a game plan. So since may foundation na tayo sa stock market, meaning may konting kaalaman na tayo sa stock market based sa part 1 of this video tutorial, ngayon ang pag-usapan natin is kung paano pumili or how to choose a stock, o kung paano ba ito epektibong pag-buy and sell, no? So as I said, kailangan natin ng game plan para always tayong manalo or always tayong kikita dito sa stock market. So first, kailangan nating mag-invest sa ating sarili. We need to invest in ourselves. Meaning, kailangan natin ng pera. We need cash. We need cash flow. Kailangan nating mayroong papasok na income for ourselves, because we cannot invest if wala tayong pera. We need to find ways na maraming papasok na pera sa atin, because we can never invest in stock market or in any kind of investment if wala tayong pera. So we need to have a cash flow. Kailangan may papasok sa atin pera. It could be from salary, it could be from other businesses. So ang importante may papasok para may portion tayo doon sa income natin na isi-save natin para i-invest natin dito sa stock market. Second is we need to pay ourselves first. So usually kasi ang nangyayari, pag dumating na yung income, pag dumating na yung salary natin, we usually pay yung mga utang, yung mga bayarin, mga bills. So always, wala talagang maiiwan for savings. So kailangan nating iti-train ang ating self to pay ourselves first. So we need to set aside a portion of our income for savings. So kailangan talaga iti-train natin ang ating self on how to save. So maraming paraan kung paano magsisave. You can follow the 50-30-20 rule. Yung 50% of your income is for necessity, yung mga bayarin. 30% of that is for discretionary payments, and 20% of it is for savings. But if medyo malaki yung 20% for savings, kahit 10% or kahit magkano, ang importante, you need to train yourself on how to save. Usually kasi, pag dumating si income, so income, less expenses, if may matira, yun for savings. But, i-change natin yan. So, let's make it income, less yung savings, before expenses. So, yun yung ititrain natin sa ating sarili so that we can pay for ourselves. In that way, we can invest a portion of our savings to stock market. The third one is, we need to set our investing goal. If interested talaga kayong mag-invest dito sa stock market, you need to identify yourself, your investing goal. Yan yung next nating pag-uusapan. If investor ka ba or trader? So again, dito sa stock market, dalawang klase yan. You need to identify what kind of investing are you up to. Isa ka bang investor or isa ka bang trader? So iisa-isahin natin. First, we will identify what is investor. Investors or long-termers are market participants who buy only great companies or blue chips and really don't care selling them after several years, maybe 10 or 20 years. So meaning to say, if isa kang investor, maglagay ka ng pera sa stock market, you're buying a stock, a particular stock, and you don't care about the ups and downs daily because ang approach mo or ang gusto mo is long term. Gagamitin mo yung pera after 10 or 20 years or more than 20 years. So yun yung investors. So these are the characteristics of an investor. So again, long-term mindset, pangmatagalan, fundamental analysis. So as I said, pag investor ka, you don't care about the ups and downs daily of the price. Ang tinitingnan mo lang is fundamental. Pag sinabi nating fundamental analysis, you're looking at the bigger picture of a certain company na bibilhin mo. So you don't care kung mahal ba yan or mura ang price. Ang basis mo lang is blue chips. Pag sinasabi nating blue chips, yung mga company na yan, mga malalaki, matatag, strong. Kinuha kasi yung blue chips na term na yan sa casino. Kasi pag pumunta ka sa casino, yung mga chips na color blue, yun yung mga chips na kumbaga malalaki, strong, mahal. So, yun yung fundamental analysis. Basta maghanap ka lang ng mga blue chip company. Yun yung investor. Dito sa Philippines or sa PSE, we have 30 blue chips company. So kung anong mga companies na yan, we will discuss that on our next video tutorial. So one characteristic of an investor is to find companies that pays dividend. Diba, there are two ways of earning dito sa stock market, price appreciation at saka dividends. So kung investor ka, you're particular of a certain company na nagbibigay ng mga dividends. Kasi may mga companies na hindi gaanong nagbibigay ng dividends kasi. And lastly, It doesn't worry about short price movement. Yun yung sinabi ko kanina, yung mga ups and down, you don't care because it's a long-term investment. So yun yung investor. Kung gusto kang maging investor. On the other hand, yung traders, we called it short-term termers. So they like short-term trades. So they need to time the market. They also sell in a shorter time, within a matter of days or even hours. They just buy and sell stocks every day. In other words, yung mga traders, every day, every hour, every minute, as long as the market is open, nakatutok palagi sa computer because they need to time the market. Particular sila sa ups and down sa price of stocks. So if you are a trader, ito yung mga characteristic ng isang trader. Yeah. Short-term mindset, meaning to say, pag bumili sila ng stock in the morning, maybe after an hour or in the afternoon, isi-sell nila kaagad. Because short-term yung mindset nila. Pag isa kang trader, you need to master technical analysis. So kanina, pag isa kang investor, it's fundamental analysis. No, the bigger picture of a certain company or a certain stocks. Pag trader ka naman, kumbaga detalye, you need to master technical analysis. May mga indicators na yan, mga price action, everyday ups and downs sa price. So kailangan talaga tutok always sa chart. So I think yung technical analysis is very broad. We need to discuss it we need to discuss it in a separate video kasi yung technical analysis need yan ng further research and study every day. It's never-ending analysis. Yung mga trader, they also love volatility. So yung mga rapid changes, gusto nila yung mga price action, constant movement sa price. So gusto nila yan kasi nga makapag-play sila sa price ng stock. Kung ang investor nagbabay lang ng blue chips company, ang trader naman, they don't care if it's a blue chips or a penny stocks. Yung penny stocks, yung mga maliliit na company na listed din sa PSA. So, again, being a trader, they don't care if penny stocks ba yan or blue chips ba yan. What they care is yung technical analysis. Lastly, they doesn't care about what the company is doing. So particular lang talaga sila sa technical analysis, yung price movement or yung mga indicators, which we will discuss that further in a separate video kung ano yung technical analysis. To summarize, kung isa kang investor, pang matagalan, meaning to say, matagal yung kita, yung return will be after 10 to 20 years or more than that. While a trader, pang madalian, but may nakaakibat na risk. So, kailangan yan ng proper analysis kung ikaw ay mag-trade. If you're asking me on what is advisable, investor ba or trader, my personal opinion is if you have a little knowledge on investing, especially on price action, especially on technical analysis, so might as well start being an investor. Kung kailangan mo lang yung pera after pang long term yung gusto mo. But if you're a risk taker and you're willing to learn on technical analysis, then you can be a trader. Anyway, everything can be learned as long as you have that guts and eagerness to learn on how to master technical analysis. Okay? So that's it. Alam nyo na kung ano yung game plan before you start your journey on investing in stock market. So, kailangan nating mag-invest first sa ating sarili. We need to pay ourselves first. Kailangan natin maghanap ng other income or other cash flow para makapag-save tayo, and we can put that money in stock market. So, I guess that's all for now. In our next video, pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano mag-register sa isang stockbroker so that finally, we will have an account and makapag-start na tayong mag-invest sa stock market. So I will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to register or how to apply an account sa COL Financial. So ito yung stockbroker na ginagamit ko. So ito yung ituturo ko sa inyo on our next video. So hope to see you on our next tutorial video on how to invest in stock market or kung paano mag-invest sa stock market being a beginner or zero knowledge. Thank you and have a good day.